students, welcome you all to our brilliant channel Maths Nation. Dear students, if you have not subscribed Maths Nation, kindly subscribe it now and press the bell icon to get the notification of the upcoming videos. Students, now let us start today's lecture of class 9 IIT Foundations Logarithms. Logarithm is very interesting and very important chapter of IIT. Now let us start what is logarithm. Please students, note down the important things. Please open your notebook and note down the important thing. What is logarithms? When I say, suppose you know 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8. This is 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8. When you apply logarithm here, then we write log of base 2 8 is equal to 3. This means x to the power a is equal to m. This means log of base x m is equal to a. This is the main part of what is the logarithms. When you apply, suppose you say 5 to the power 4. 5 to the power 4 is, what is 5 to the power 4? 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5 ja 25, 25 5 ja 125, 125 5 ja 625. 5 to the power 4 is equal to 625. When you apply logarithm, then by applying logarithm you can write logarithm of base 5. This is called the base of logarithms of 625 is equal to 4. Suppose you say log a base a n is equal to log a base n is equal to, suppose this is equal to x, which shows that a to the power x is equal to, which shows that a to the power x is equal to n. Suppose now take some more examples for better understandings. Students, as I have told you, only knowing formula is not sufficient. You have to practice more and more problems, more and more examples which will be helpful for you. Suppose you say 4 to the power 3 is equal to 64. When you apply logarithm, then you write log of base 4, 64 is equal to 3. Suppose you say, then now let us discuss about the properties of logarithms. Now let us discuss about the properties of logarithms. Properties of logarithms says that logs are defined only by positives real numbers. Logs can only defined by positive real numbers. This means the exponents is always a positive real number, then we say we can apply the logarithms. Another things, logs are defined only for positive base different from 1. Then the laws of logarithm says that, and log of 0 is not defined. Suppose we say, as you know, x to the power 0 is equal to 1. We know x to the power 0 is equal to 1, means what may be the base, this doesn't matter. When the exponent is 0, this is equal to 1. Then when you apply log, we can write log of base x 1 is equal to 0. In the same way, it says that logarithm of 0 cannot be defined. Suppose you say log of base x 0, this is equal to what? This cannot be defined. These things cannot be defined. Then this is log of 1 is equal to 0. Log of 1 is equal to 0. What may be the base? This doesn't matter. Log of 1 is always equal to 0, and log 0 cannot be defined. Log 0, how can you define log 0? Log 0 cannot be defined. cannot be defined. These are the important part of the logarithm. Please students, open your notebook and write down the important parts. What is the important part says? This is logarithm of 1 is always equal to 0 and log of 0 cannot be defined. Then some more properties of logarithms. Now let us discuss the laws of logarithm. What is the laws 1 said? Please students, open your notebook and note down the law 1. What is the law 1 says? I have already told you this lecture is of IIT Foundations class 9 of chapter logarithms. Then now we discussed about the logarithm law 1. What is the law 1 says? The law 1 says log of base MAB is equal to log of base MA plus log of base MB. The property, the law 1 says, suppose the logarithm of 3 into 4 is equal to, can be written as logarithm of base 3 plus logarithm of 4. Okay. Then this is the law 1 said. Then the law 2 say, the second law says log of base M A upon B is equal to log of base M A minus log of base M B. In case of, look at the important things, when there is product between A and B, in these times you write plus signs between log M A and log M B. When there is divisions, then you use subtraction signs. Then the law 3 says, another law 3 says logarithm of A to the power M, logarithm, this is not base. Suppose you write logarithm of base 10 A to the power M. When the logarithm, there is exponents in the logarithm, this can be written as M of log 10 A. Take some example. At first, let me to write all the laws, then I will practice some examples which will be based on these laws. Then the first law this is second law, this is third law. Then the fourth law says that, logarithm of B A log C B, which is equal to, which can be written as log C A. Then chain rule. Then what is chain rule? Then another property says that, then the law 5 says that log of B A is equal to log of B A. Here this is B, here this is log of B A is equal to log of C A and log of C B. Then when this is log base B A, then this can be written as another base C and log A upon log B. Then let me discuss some examples based in these laws. Keep these properties here. Then keep these properties here. If I use next page, then this will be difficult for you to recall the laws. Now let us discuss some examples based on this property. At first discuss what is the law 1 says. The law 1 says that log of base MAB is equal to log of base MA plus log of base MB. Then when you apply this, then take examples. Take example. Example 1 says that log of 15 of base 10, log of 15 can be written as of base 10 5 into 3. Then applying the according to the law 1, then this can be written as log of 5 plus log of 3. This can be written as log of 5 and log of 3. In the same way, when you write the property, the law 2 says log of base 10 of suppose 20, then 20 can be written as log 20 can be written as 80 divided by 4. If I write 80 divided by 4 in place of 20, am I wrong? No, it is right. 20 can be written as 80 upon 4. Then applying the law 2, you can write log of base 10 80 minus log of base 10 4. Then look at here, the law 2 says when there is a division signs, you use subtraction signs. Here 80 upon 4. In the same way we can write log of base 10 80 minus log of base 10 4. Then now let us discuss the log property 3. The property 3 says that, according to the property 3 is this, says that log of a to the power m, when there is exponents, then this can be written as m of log a. Look at here some examples. Suppose log of 36 of base 10 36. 36 can be written as 6 to the power square. Then this is the exponents can be written in the left side. This is log of base 10 6. Suppose take another examples of this. Now use the next page and discuss some more examples based on this property 1, property 2, property 3 of logarithms. Then the property 1, what is the property 1? According to the property 1, now let us discuss some more examples. Suppose you have to here the logarithm of, you have to find of base, any base. Suppose you write logarithm of base a, this is logarithm of 100. Logarithm of 100 can be written in this can be written as 25 into 4. Then this is equal to logarithm of 25 plus logarithm of 4. This can be written in this form. Then now recall the properties 2, the law 2. According to the law 2, logarithm of, suppose logarithm of 3 upon 4, this can be written as logarithm of 3 minus logarithm of 4. Then now let us recall the property 3. The law 3 says, suppose logarithm of 64. 64 can be written as 2 to the power 6. 64 can be written as 2 to the power 6. Then according to the law 3 says the exponents can be written in the left side 6 of logarithm 2. Now students, I think you get a clear idea about the 3 laws. You must get clear idea about the 3 laws. Now let us discuss some examples based in the applications of logarithms. Now discuss some. Now by discussing some examples, now let us find out the value of x. Suppose you have to find out logarithm of base half 16, which is equal to, which is 16, which is equal to half to the power x, which is equal to half to the power, suppose this 1 upon 2 of 16, which is equal to 1 upon 2 to the power x. This shows that logarithm of 1 upon 2 to the power, suppose this is equal to x, you have to find out the value of x. Logarithm base half 16 is equal to x. This shows that 1 upon 2 to the power x is equal to 16. Then 1 upon 2 can be written as 2 to the power minus 1. If I write 1 upon 2 to the power minus 1 in place of 1 upon 2, am I wrong? No. And 16 can be written as 2 to the power 4. Then here this is 2 to the power minus x is equal to 2 to the power 4, which shows that by comparing the exponents we come to the conclusion that x equal to minus 4. Now let us discuss some more examples based in the applications of logarithms. Now here suppose the question is given logarithm of 16 base 16 32 is equal to x. Now you have to find out the value of x. This is can be written as 16 to the power x is equal to 32. Log base 16 32 is equal to x, which means, now keep it here. This is another examples here, this is another questions. This shows that 16 to the power x is equal to 32. Am I right? Yes. In place of 16, I can write this is 2 to the power 4. This means 2 to the power 4x is equal to 2 to the power 5. Then comparing the exponents, we get that 4x is equal to 5, x equal to 5 upon 4. Yes. Now let us discuss some more examples, applications of logarithms. Let us discuss some more illustrations. I have already told you students, when you practice variety of questions, then can you do any problems which will be asked in your exam papers. Now let us always try to practice variety of questions. Here the question is given log of base 1 upon 3 of 1 upon 9 is equal to x. Find the value of x. This shows that 1 upon 3 to the power x is equal to 1 upon 9. Then in place of 1 upon 9, if I write this is 1 upon 3 square, am I wrong? No. Then by comparing the exponents, we get x equal to 2. Yes. Then now let us discuss some another examples. Here the question is given log of root 3. 9 of root 3 is equal to x. Here you have to find out the value of x. This shows that root 3 to the power x is equal to 9 root 3. Then here look at here, root 3 to the power x is equal to 9 can be written as 3 square into root 3. Then 3 can be written as root 3 square. If I write 3 root 3 squares, it is right. 3 can be written as root 3 square. Root 3 square into the power 2. This means root 3 to the power 4. 9 can be written as root 3 to the power 4. Then this is in the left side, this is root 3 to the power x, and in the right side this is equal to root 3 to the power 4 plus 1 means root 3 to the power 5. Then by comparing, when the base is same, you can compare the exponents. Then by comparing the exponents, we get that x is equal to 5. Then by comparing the exponents, we get x is equal to 5. Now let us discuss some more examples base in the applications of the logarithms. Base in the applications of the logarithms. Suppose here another example is given, logarithm of 2 root 3, logarithm of 2 root 3 which is equal to, logarithm of 2 root 3 is equal to of 1728 which is equal to x. Here you have to find out the value of x. This can be written as 2 root 3 to the power x is equal to 1728. This is 2 root 3 to the power x, and 1728 is equal to 12 to the power q. Then 12 to the power 12 is 4 into 3. 4 means this is 12 can be written as 2 square into 3 to the power 3. Then this is equal to 2 to the power 6 into 3 to the power q. This is the left side is 2 root 3 to the power x. Here this is 2 to the power 6. As I have already told you, 3 can be written as root 3 square. Then here this is root 3 square into 3 which is equal to root 3 to the power 6. Then this is equal to 2 root 3 to the power 6. The RHS is 2 root 3 to the power 6. The LHS is 2 root 3 to the power x. When the base is same, you can compare the exponents. By comparing the exponents, we get that x equal to 6. Now let us discuss another types of questions. Here the question says that logarithm of base 2 of cos 45 which is equal to x. Then according to the logarithm, 2 to the power x is equal to cos 45. Then cos 45 is equal to 1 upon root 2. Cos 45 is equal to 1 upon root 2. This, the LHS is 2 to the power x. The RHS is root 2, 1 upon root 2 can be written as root 2 to the power minus 1. As I have already told you, 2 can be written as root 2 to the power 2, root 2 square. 2 is equal to root 2 square. Then this is root 2 to the power 2 to x. This is x. Then 2 can be written as root 2 squares. Then this is root 2 square into x. Root 2 to the power 2x is equal to root 2 to the power minus 1. Then as the base is same, comparing the exponents, we get 2x is equal to minus 1. This means x is equal to minus 1 upon 2. Then here you get x is equal to minus 1 upon 2. Now let us solve some more examples. I have already told you, when you practice, when you get thorough the illustrations or examples, then it will be better for you to, it will be better for your understandings. Then I have already told you, I am always saying you that try to practice variety of questions, try to practice more and more questions. Here the question says that, here another question says that logarithm of 2 minus root 3, 2 plus root 3 is equal to x. Here you have to find out the value of x. This is 2 minus root 3 to the power x is equal to 2 plus root 3. Then by rationalizing, we get 2 minus root 3 to the power x. Then here this is equal to 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3 upon 2 2 minus root 3. When I multiply the same in LHS in numerator and denominators, this means the value is same. This is 2 minus root 3 to the power x, and in the numerator this is a plus b into a minus b form. Then this is when a plus b into a minus b means a square minus b square. This is 2 square minus root 3 square means 3. Root 3 square means 3, which is equal to here 2 minus root 3 to the power x is equal to 4 minus 3, which is equal to 1. Then I have already told you 1 means what will be the base, the exponents is 0, then you get this is 1, means 1 can be written as 2 minus root 3 to the power 0. 1 can be written like this. Here the base is same, then you comparing the exponents you get x is equal to 0. Then by comparing the exponents you get x is equal to 0. Okay. Sorry. Look at here students, this is the numerator but the denominator is here 2 minus root 3. The denominator is here 2 minus root 3. Then this is 2 minus root 3 to the power minus 1. Then as the base is same, comparing the exponents you get x is equal to minus 1. Okay. Then now let us discuss some more examples based in this applications of the logarithms, based in applications of logarithms. Here another example says that here now let us recall the properties of logarithms, then we will practice some more examples about the properties of the logarithms. Here another question says that, suppose here some question says that example 4 log base 10 5 plus 2 log base 10 4. Then by applying, now recall all these properties. This can be written as, here the exponents can be written 5 to the power 4 plus log base 10 4 square. Then here as you know that log of base 10 5 to the power 4 means this is 625. 5 to the power 4 means this is 625, base 10 4 to the power square means this is 16. Now recall the law 1. According to law 1, this can be written as log of base 10, and this is, as this is plus signs in the middle, this is 625 into 16. This is equal to log of base 10, 625 into 16 is equal to 625 into 16 is equal to 10,000. This is equal to 10,000. Then this is log of base 10, 10,000 means this is 10 to the power 4. Then recall all these properties, which is equal to taking 4. This is log 10 of 10, which is 1, means 4 into 1, which is equal to 4. Then by applying all these properties we get the answers. The question is given this, evaluate, find the value of this, then we get the value is equal to 4. Now let us discuss some more examples which will be based in this applications of these properties of logarithms. Here another question says that logarithm of base 10 500, find the value minus logarithm of base 10 5. Here this is minus sign between them. This means this can be written as 500 upon 5. then this is equal to logarithm of 10. 500 upon 5 means this is 100, which is equal to logarithm of base 10. 100 can be written as 10 square. Then by applying the third property, this is 2 logarithm of 10 of base 10, which is equal to 1 logarithm of 10 of 10 is 1, then this is 2 into 1, 10. Then when we evaluate this, we get this value is 2. Then now let us discuss some more examples. Here another example says that, I have already told you, please practice variety of questions. Here another example says that logarithm of base 385 of 5 plus logarithm of 385 of 7 plus logarithm of base 385 of 11 plus logarithm of 385 of 385 to the power 2. Then this can be written as logarithm of 385 of 5 into 7 into 11 of plus logarithm of 385, and this is 385 to the power 2. Then this is equal to logarithm of 385, 5 7 ja 35, 35 into 11 is equal to 385. Then this is here, the exponents take outside, this is equal to logarithm of 385 of 385. Here logarithm of base 385 of 385 is equal to 1 plus 2 into logarithm of 385 of base 385 of 385 is 1. This is 2 plus 1, which is equal to 3. Look at here. When you see the examples, if I say evaluate the value, you think this will be a complicated example, but when you solve, when you recall all these properties part by part, property 1, the applications of property 1, the applications of property 2, then easily you solve the questions and find the answer. At last you get a very simple answer 3. Now let us discuss some more examples. Here now let us discuss some more examples. Look at here, students. Now use the next page. Here another question says that, logarithm of base 4 of logarithm of base 2 and logarithm of base 5 625, find its value, evaluate this. This is equal to log of 4, keep it here, log of 2, keep it here, then inside this is log of 5, 625 can be written as 5 to the power 4. Then here this is equal to log of base 4 and log of base 2, which is equal to, look at here, the 4 is in the exponents, this can be written as 4 into log of 5, which is equal to log of base 4 of log of base 2. Then here log of 5 of base 5 is equal to 1, then this is log of base 2 of 4, which is equal to log of base 4 and log of base 2. 4 can be written as 2 square. Then this is equal to log of base 4 and 2 can be written in this way. This is 2 of logarithm of 2, then the logarithm of base 2 is equal to 1. This is logarithm of base 4 of 2, then this is equal to, look at here, logarithm of base 4 of 2, which is equal to logarithm of 4, 2 can be written as root 4, means 4 to the power half, 4 to the power half, then this half is the exponents, taking the exponents out, this is logarithm of base 4, which is equal to 1, then at last you get the answer half. Then when you see the examples, you think this might be an complicated questions, but when you solve it step by step, you apply all these properties thoroughly, you get a simple answers and which will be, when you practice variety of questions, when you practice more and more questions, the questions which will be asked in your exam paper will be easier for you. Here the another question says that, suppose 10, look at here, the question is 10 to the power logarithm of base 110, which is equal to 10 to the power logarithm of 100, 10 can be written as 100 to the power 10, can be written as 100 to the power 1 upon 2, 10 is square root of 100, then this is 10 of to half and logarithm of base 100, base 100 means this is 1, this is equal to 10 to the power half into 1, which is equal to 10 to the power half, this means root 10, its answer is finally root 10. Okay? Then students, today this much. Thank you students. If you have not subscribed Maths Nations, kindly subscribe it now and please follow my classes regularly.